Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Tit for tat. Now this will be fun. One day Amina met a painter. Can you make my picture? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, painter showed her picture. How do you like it? But this is only half. Yeah, the other half is exactly the same. So just put the mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Amina gave him a 100-rupee note. But this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Ha ha ha, that was a good one, Amina. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. This is a butterfly. That's an oil lamp. This is a cat's face. And it's a star. That's a fish. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? As you can see, these pictures cannot be divided as the mirror halves. So, we cannot repeat the painter's trick. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar parts, draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. Here are things which do not have similar halves. Number 1 could be tree, then a cooker, flowers, spoon, etc. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into 2 similar halves? See this picture of a comb. Kids, can you see it? Alright. Okay, tell me, if we draw a dotted vertical line in the middle, then would we be able to divide it into 2 similar halves? Yes, we would be. Now, this is a picture of an envelope. Again, we have to draw a dotted vertical line to make them into 2 similar halves. Now, if you see it, this is number 8. Draw the dotted line in this way. Here comes the pair of scissors. If the dotted line is drawn vertically in this way, then we get 2 similar halves. Now see this picture. Okay, tell me, what do you think about this picture? Don't you think we can draw more than one line to make 2 similar halves? Am I right? Yes. Alright. Now, can you divide this picture of kettle into 2 similar halves? Well, I tried it. No, it is not possible here. See this pencil. If we draw horizontal line, then the 2 parts are not similar. So try with vertical line. Oh, it's working. Now the 2 parts are similar halves. If you see this picture of a cup, where will you draw the line to make them into 2 similar halves? Well, you're right. Here it is not possible. How about this crown? This crown can be divided into 2 similar halves in this way. Also, the frog will be divided into 2 similar halves if we draw a vertical line.